Tired of missing important updates in your inbox? Whether it's team newsletters, competitor insights, or industry news, why not send them straight to Slack where your team will actually see them? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to forward any newsletter to Slack using RSS app. No coding needed. First, let's create a newsletter RSS feed. Go to RSS.app, open the RSS generator, and click the Newsletter tab. Click Create Newsletter Feed. You'll see a pop-up with a secret email address. Copy it. That's where your newsletters will be forwarded. Give your feed a name and click Save. Open the newsletter source, Substack, Mailchimp, or internal email, and add your secret RSS app address as a forwarding contact. Once a newsletter is sent, it'll appear automatically in your feed. Now let's set up the Slack automation. Click the Slack icon on the right. Log in and authorize RSS app to post. Give your alert a name, and choose the Slack channel you want to send updates to. To send posts to a private channel, you'll need to add the News Alerts bot. Click the three dots in the channel, open Channel Details, and then Integrations, and add the bot. Now your private channel will show up in the dropdown. You can customize how each post appears in settings, change the bot name and avatar, or show only the title, the link, or full text. You can even check the History tab to make sure everything's coming through correctly. And that's it. Once it's set up, newsletters just show up in Slack, automatically. So how do people actually use this? Teams use this to share internal newsletters in team updates, track competitors in private strategy channels, share industry insights in growth or design, monitor brand mentions in PR or comms. No more digging through inboxes, just the info you need right where your team works. Head to RSS.app to try it out.